Dito ako kay Eva, bili ako ng pansit.
Nakikikaraoke.
Magkakaroke daw kami, practice. Kinakanta naman natin Eva eh, ganda ng boses. Lapit mo yung mic, mic yan ay.
May mic pa.
I've got it together, they call me the third. Who knows just what to say and do? Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman in love. Get out of school, out of control, just another fool. Touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather.
Shout out kayo dyan, mga taga Sangkintin.
I can wait.
Narito na yung mga singer ng Sangkintin.
Touching me again.
Walang iba kundi si Eva.
You are just another woman, just another woman.
Go, shout out po.
I should stare, tremble like a child. But one single look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love. Get out of control, just another touch me and I'm a feather in the wind. I can't wait to feel you touching me again. Just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. Get out of control, just another fool. Touch me and I'm winning, I'm a feather in the wind. I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You are just another woman, just another woman in
Oh,
love.
dito na kayo kumain, dito na kayo bumili ng mga ulam nyo. Kay Ate Eva. Ayan, dami niyang luto. Ayan oh, ang galing. Ang galing ng boses mo Ate Eva. Singer ka talaga.
Hindi naman.
Bilib ako. Sige. Next time, vlog tayo ng ano, makanta ka.
Oo ba?
Oh. Kaya ano pa hanapin nyo dyan, maganda na. Galing pa boses. Ate Eva. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Ah,